Inside this box is a really coolly designed portable Bluetooth speaker. It's rechargeable. Today I'm going to open up the box, see what comes in it, and then we're going to test it out and see what features it has. So let's go. Okay, so the MUZEN speaker is designed to be portable. I believe it's a 5-watt speaker. It's designed to be super crystal clear. I really do love the packaging. It's really stuck with the theme of the speaker itself. I believe this is meant to be like a jerry can or field radio. Very military feel about it. It's really cool. It does weigh about 250 grams, so it has a little bit of weight behind it, which is actually really good, really rugged. Up top, it does have a connection point, so you can connect it to a lanyard, or you can strap it to your backpack or something like that while going for a hike. It does have all the controls that you need to turn it on. Connect to Bluetooth, your volume on your left, and you can even skip tracks. And on the right is where you can connect to USB-C. And then it does have a flashlight on top, which has 3 different modes. So now I'm going to test out the speaker itself in an outdoor environment so you can hear it. Then let's test out the flashlight. And that's the MUZEN rechargeable portable speaker. Now, a couple of extra things I didn't mention is this is waterproof. So, when you are hiking, if you're going through any creeks or anything like that, you don't have to stress if you're getting any water on this, or, if it's raining, it's going to stay safe. That SOS light that's going off right now actually is SOS. It's Morse code for SOS. It's not just a flashing light, which is fantastic for safety because it means you do have something on you when you are camping, hiking, or doing any outdoor activity. That is going to be a great safety feature that you have. It will also operate for 8 hours constantly before it needs to be recharged. As you heard with the sound itself, it's fantastic. It is crystal clear. I'm excited to try this on my backpack next time I go hiking or camping. Now, if the MUZEN speaker is something you are interested in, we are going to leave a link in the description below. Now, comment below what scenario you would use this MUZEN speaker before. Like, subscribe for more great reviews like this, and I'll see you in the next one.